Sex offenders typically repeat their crimes, but historically, evidence rules excluded any mention of those prior crimes at trial. For that reason, Congress enacted Federal Rule of Evidence 414 in 1994 to allow evidence of prior acts of child molestation. United States v. LeMay explains how courts ensure that this rule is constitutionally applied. In 1997, DR and AR, ages 5 and 7, told their mother that their uncle, Fred LeMay, forced them to perform oral sex on him while he was babysitting. She didn't report the incident at the time, but police learned about it in 1999. The United States government charged LeMay with child molestation. At trial, the prosecution offered no physical evidence of the incident, but LeMay's nephews and their mother testified about what occurred. On cross-examination, LeMay's attorney challenged the accuracy of the nephew's memory and suggested they had an incentive to lie. Pursuant to Rule 414, the prosecution then sought to introduce testimony that LeMay had admitted to and was convicted of forcing his young cousins to perform oral sex on him while babysitting them in 1989. LeMay objected, arguing that admitting the 1989 evidence violated his due process rights. The district court admitted the evidence, finding that it was probative of the nephew's credibility. The prosecution also had evidence of a third similar incident but chose not to introduce it. Ultimately, the jury convicted LeMay, and he appealed to the Ninth Circuit.